Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today I'm here with Best Player Games, the YouTuber just same as me, and basically we're here to play a little bit of Flood Escape 2. It's just gonna be us two. We got a private server, just us two, for just us. So I hope you guys do enjoy, and I'm going to be limited to 15 minutes, so if it cuts, then it's my fault because I can't touch that button. Back, and I'm gonna type to him to let him know. Okay, so I let him know we're good, and he's here. He's a level 19, but on my main, I am a level 28, so we both know what we're doing. We both can trust each other on getting buttons. If either of us goes lazy, we're both. That's basically what will happen. I know how to solo these maps, and also I'm gonna be lagging here and there. From the last video, yeah, you guys noticed I lagged here and there. So I hope you guys do enjoy, and I'll see you guys whenever I start talking. I don't know why I say see you guys in the next video. I don't know why I say that. We both can't solo some maps, so basically this will be hard, but I can solo all easy, medium, and hard. Like about 3 Insanes I can definitely solo. Don't know about best players. I can... Sure. Kinda did a little bit of soloing. Yeah, after my video. Oh, okay, then I better go fast. Because I didn't know he died, and I go in after the button a little bit too later than I should have. I might die. If I... Oh, the typewriter just kicked me off. Yeah, he's doing his video now. He doesn't talk in his vids. I'm gonna hopefully watch. Hopefully he will watch me do soloing mode, because basically I'm gonna show them who they're playing with and who they're watching. And ignore the lag, please. I am sorry for this. Ooh, yeah, I am sorry about the lag. I am completely sorry about it. But once again, I'm going to be ending this around 15 minutes. And since I can't see the bottom of the screen, I will not be able to pay attention. So if it cuts off during a match, I am completely sorry about this, that I'm limited to 15 minutes. I don't know. This is one of those premium ones. If you guys have a good screen recorder for computers, let me know down below, because OBS doesn't work for me for some stupid reason. It just keeps on cutting out, I think, a lot of it. that was just an easy to solo level. For me. Not everybody's gonna be the same. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. The lag almost killed me. To be honest, I'm used to this lag. I've played with a lot of lag before. So I'm not gonna... Oh crap. For this game, so... Yeah, that was my only way to surviving. Was doing that. Instead of doing the whole dare thing, I'm gonna probably mean this. Like, every single time. So... we both basically trust each other to get the buttons. If we start going ahead and going after him, and both of us go after him at the same time, it's just in case one of us dies. And he's level 19. Let me go win. Let me go win in that. Thank you. Ooh, a good map. I know this map pretty well, but if lag kills me, I am gonna get annoyed. I can solo this map. This insane map, I can solo. So we might be able to do crazy. Because if we both survive this, because we both know how good we are at this map, basically we're good. We're good. I'm gonna stand here and hopefully he goes after that button so that I can get this button. Like, just in case I fall. Because a lag might kill me. Like, almost did there. So he's up there. I'm gonna watch him jump across that course. There we go. And also, if you guys want access to this private server, you're gonna have to friend my sister, Kitten Wolf. I can't show her on screen right now. And I know he's not dead, because we're about ready to go to crazy soon. No joke. You guys get to see us attempt crazy. On crazy mode, I've seen a hacker die in that map. That's how hard it is. Like, bruh, that was annoying. And yeah, that was annoying when he hacked, but because I couldn't get him to keep the buttons so that I can level up faster. Yeah, we can't, the only way that we're gonna have a chance at this map is beating Darkside 5. I wouldn't say the Blue Moon is impossible because people have been beating it. But I also recently looked at the percentages of people beating Insane. Apparently... Okay, which button? Oh, get that button? Yeah, sure, I'll get it. And... I can solo these maps. The hardest one I've soloed might be the other Dark Sci-Fi, because basically you have to be fast when you're going across that water, because if you don't go fast, that's gonna be a problem. Because if you take your time, you're just gonna instantly screw yourself over. You're not gonna get the right buttons. You're gonna instantly die. Even if you make it across, you need to get all the buttons, because that map is just hard by yourself. But I was able to beat it barely 2 times. Barely. I quote myself, barely won, because it was like it goes red as I get over there. For medium mode, I would say the hardest one, I don't know what is the hardest medium that I've done. I can't tell, because there's one You dead? Yeah, from the jump. Oh, okay. I'm about to level up, and I'm probably... I'll go this one. Because I normally do this when there's multiple people. I always go to this one. Because that one's so easy to get, and he knows he can get that one. We both know he will get that one. Already have a problem if I'm dead. I'm gonna make him get that button. Oh crap. There we go. Get that button. Because that's a hard jump to make, but I can make it. Even though I failed the first one, I did make it the second try. Okay, I wonder how many jumps I have now. Because once he hits around 26, I'm gonna do a montage with him of him going to level 30. Because I'm 2 levels away. It's gonna be a small montage. And then he's going there. Oh, this is the hard map right here. This Dark Sapphire Forest. Because you have to be fast. You can't just take your time. You have to be fast. Because look at this. You have to be like that insanely fast. I would say after the 3rd button you can take your time, but like you have to get oxygen back. That's the only time when you can be slow, is after the 3rd button. And a small break on after the 2nd button, because you have... Yeah, you have to go to the corner if you want to survive that. I'll keep this on hard. No worry. Don't worry. I'll keep this on hard. I wouldn't call this solo. There we go, baby. I kept this on hard. Oh! Ah! Now I just remembered how hard this one is to solo, dude. I can barely survive this one, too. But I would still say Dark Sapphire is stronger. Harder, because basically, all I have to do is just make sure I don't mess up once. Because if I mess up once, I am dead. Just as long as you don't mess up once, I'd say you're not dead. Like, you can barely survive. And then voila. They get that one, and then I'll go across, and you can go and get that one. I'll put the one that's over here. Don't die. Thank you. Good job, mate. See, look, this is how much we trust each other. Oh, lag spike. Oh, God. After this round, I'm going to be checking on how much time there is left. So if I have to end it, I'll end it. And I'll be starting another one, so that's going to be a 2-parter. So guys, I'm going to end the first parter here. I hope you guys do enjoy. And I'll see you guys again next time on the next